All right, today we're going to be working on the 97 Nissan Altima again. Was driving it the other day and noticed that it didn't handle correctly. It felt like every bump that you hit was just amplified. And we discovered that this passenger side front wheel, the suspension on it, when you push down, it doesn't suspend. It's just stuck. It's stuck up high. Every other side, if you push down on it, it gives. I don't know if you can really see that. Well, maybe in the back you can see better. So when you push down, the car bounces. But when you push down on that passenger side front wheel, there is absolutely no give. It is stuck. So gotta take that apart and see what it is, but I suspect it's going to be the strut has seized, and so it's just weird. You're driving and it's like every single bump in the road you're just feeling it. So if you have a car that where you think the strut's out or something because you're feeling everything, you're probably right. And so we're going to take this apart and see what this is. It could also be a seized control arm bushing or something like that, but probably not. It's probably the strut. All right, so let's get this apart and we'll find out what the problem is. We got the strut out, strut assembly, and it does feel like this is seized. We pushed down as hard as we could and it ain't budging. So I've got the McPherson strut compressors on there. We're going to compress this and transplant the spring and the bearing to the new strut and reinstall, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. Let me get this apart first and then we'll take another test of this on video. Here's the old strut, and yeah, definitely something wrong with it. This is as far out as it will go. It will compress a little bit, but that's as far out, and that should be, that's about a third out of what it should completely come out. If I push down, you can see it goes in. It goes in, but it doesn't come all the way out. So this is partially seized, and so it was keeping stress, pressure, whatever on the spring the whole time, and that was keeping it from suspending. So I'm going to replace that, and that should fix the problem. Okay, it's a week later, and we decided to go ahead and replace both sides. So I ordered the other one, and we just installed them. And this passenger side front strut was definitely bad. And it's seized up. It doesn't move slowly. I mean, it's stiff, and I've been working with it out of the car, and it's doing better than it was. Originally it was completely stuck, but you can see there I'm pushing, it's not going in. That one is no good. Here's the driver's side, and it's still good. It moves in nice and easily and out. It does come out, trust me. So yeah, that one's still good. That was the one that was bad. So now when I come over here and I push down on this, car is bouncing, it moves, and it drives great again. It drives really nice when the struts are not stuck. So these guys were originally Gabriel's, and I always thought that was a good brand. I'm gonna have to rethink that. I mean, you look at this, and there's no obvious damage. It doesn't look bent or anything. The seal feels like it's dry or something, and it just sticks horribly. But definitely that was the problem, and it's driving great again. We bought Monroe shocks for this. I had ordered OES Spectrum or OE Spectrum shocks, but they sent me Reflex shocks. Basically the same thing, I believe, same quality, so I'm not going to worry about it. That was rockauto.com. They kind of screwed that up. The ones that we installed didn't look new. They looked like someone had installed them before, but they work fine, and we just want to get the car back together. I mean, anything you buy on Rock Auto is at a discount anyway. So as long as it works, you know, this is just a junker anyway. We just stayed with it. But Rock Auto could do better. And I could probably return them and stuff, but I don't really think it's worth the effort. We just installed them. Anyway, so moral of this is, you got a car, it doesn't have to be an old car, just any car. If it feels like you're feeling every bump, you might have a bad strut. could be. There are other things it could be, but I would say that's your number one possibility, bad strut. So that's it. That's the video. Hey, thanks for watching.